Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. This is RC Car Tips. Today I'm going to share with you one of the best RC cars for beginners. It's fast, it's durable, and it's cheap, under 50 bucks. Here it is. I found it, the holy grail, the unicorn of RC cars. It's the 1/28 scale WL Toys P929. What comes with it for 50 bucks? Comes with spare gears, a charger, a very nice manual. It's so thick, it's filled with drawings, detailed drawings that, yeah. It's better than most manuals. Yeah, you can easily rebuild your car with this manual. And best of all, it's in English. Made in China, but English. And most important, it comes with a 2.4 gigahertz radio controller that feels like my Sanwa, my high-end Sanwa controller. It feels so nice to my hands. Fits very well. Throttle is smooth. Steering is okay. Now let me show you. What's very important that separates this from toy cars that you can buy in department stores is the controller. So if you see, it's fully proportional. If I turn the steering wheel, slow, it goes slow. If I turn it fast, it's super fast. If I turn it a little, it turns a little. If I turn it more, it turns more. So this is what we call fully proportional. Unlike department stores, you turn it a little, just turns full left, full right. It's hard to control a car that way. Same with the speed. Watch, slow, fast, faster, fast, super fast. You can see the times ballooning. You can just imagine how fast this is, and later on I'll show you how it runs on my garage track and on a 1/10 scale racing track. Yes, you will see it, and when you see it, you will also want to buy it. I love it. It's good. So it's good. See, you can do forward, you can do reverse. It's also fast in reverse. And it has very good brakes. So if you really like to drive with brakes, brake is very smooth as well. It feels, I use this car for practice. If I want to improve my driving, this is the car I use. It's cheap. I go to my garage, drive lap after lap. One charge of the battery will last me 10 minutes or more. It's good. So let's open it up. And what you also get the LiPo battery included. It comes with an aluminum chassis. It has four-wheel independent suspension. It has full ball bearings. Ball bearings, so small. That's why, it hasn't broken. And now, no, Aston. That was my son. And that was my car crashing. But we'll keep on filming. Yeah, so it's good. Let's do the speed again. Fast! Super fast! Vroom, 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 vroom. Alright. So, for some of you who don't, you say, yeah, well, it's nice. I wish it, but I'm an on-road guy. I wish there was an on-road. There is! Here it is. Let me grab it. And here it is. Yes, there is another one. I also have a drift version. So if you love to drift, I will have a separate review for this next time. Wait for it. Okay, so let's see how good this thing goes. So let's just snap it on and, you know, forget the body clips. So you can see how controllable it is, you know. I can really control it. Very slow. And then very strong and very fast. Whoa! Alright. One moment. And we're back. And if you can see, all good. All working. So strong. That's why it's the best. For beginners who love to crash, here it is. Crash it, keeps on ticking. Okay. So enough of my blabber. In short, I give this a 5 out of 5 stars. It's my best buy, you know. Well worth the money I paid for this. And where can you buy it? For me, I ordered it online. Just Google it. Go to Google, WL Toys P929, and Google is smart enough. It will show you the nearest shops where you can buy it based on your GPS location. Yes, Google knows where you are. So good. Under 50 bucks, online from overseas, came to me in about a week or two, straight to my door. No UPS nonsense, no pick it up at the post office and pay taxes. Straight to my door, no tax, no additional cost. And I've been using it for the past 8 months. Nothing broken, still good. I love it. Very nice. So next video, let me show you how it runs in my garage track and how it runs on the 1/10 scale big track. And I'm pretty sure after you watch those videos, you will want to buy one as well. So hope this video was good enough for you. It answers your question, what's the best RC for beginners? And it's actually even good for people like me who've been racing and been in this hobby for the past 40 years. Yes, 40 years. I like this. I enjoy it. I'm not a newbie. I'm not a beginner. But it's good. This thing is good for beginners and up to old-timers like me. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. Watch my on-track video of this and see you next week. Bye.